Well, hey guys, welcome back to another video at Morehead Homestead. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Well, as you can tell by the title, we got some issues happening again. Something on my hat there. Anyway, broke out the old Morehead Homestead hunting hat today, but if you can tell from the title, we are having issues again. So back to the story, we got more problems on the homestead. If you noticed, something's not parked out here. My truck, it's been in the shop for about a week now.
Yep. I'm going, Mom.
Broke down again. The tow truck's on its way, so we're going to get it loaded up. Pretty much the same issues. The check engine light came on again. It's flashing, running super rough. And if you guys remember, I just spent $2,000 on this thing. And I drove it for about a week and a half, and it's similar issues, same issues. So I'm going to get the door up, push it out because I can't start it when the check engine light's flashing. They do not recommend starting the engine. So I'm going to get a few things out of it, push it out, and wait on the tow truck, then we're going to get it loaded. Hey, bring it up. Alright, that was a little harder than I thought. And I figured out why it was so hard to push it, because Lindy was scared to hit something, so she had her feet on the brakes. So I'm like, push it against the brakes. I'm like, what?
I couldn't turn it.
I was like, what is the deal? This thing won't move.
That's scary.
And she's got the brakes on. So.
I didn't want to, like, run into the side.
Did you put it back in park?
Yes.
So, it's out here now. We're going to grab a few things out of it and then haul it back off to the shop. I don't know. So.
I can't push it.
And then once it gets fixed this time, it is officially for sale. So.
We'll see.
Huh?
We'll see.
We'll see. All right, she's going to take you over there to show you Hudson now, and I'm going to clean this out.
I'm cleaning it with you.
To hang out in the yard when we water the flowers and kids playing outside. This is what he likes to do. He swings.
Hi, buddy. There's the swinging. We can get this done for a second. Hi, Babas. What are you doing? I don't want to. See if we can get him to smile for him. You want to smile for him? Huh? You got your hiccups? Huh? You got your hiccups? Yeah. You want to talk to him? Hmm? Tell him something. Tell him something. Hey, make him smile for him. Is your brother crazy? Here you go. Don't want to smile. I'm being serious. What
are you doing?
Hi, Thor. Hi, MJ. Did you show him what MJ did?
Well, it's kind of coming off a little bit. We got a stick. She don't have much horns to work with, but we finally got her taped up where she can quit getting her head stuck. How many times do you think she got her head stuck last week?
3.
No.
2.
No.
5.
Yeah, like 5 or 6 times last week. So we did that. So now it's been working pretty good, huh? It's been like 4 days now, and no MJ stuck on the fence, right? So you got your first basketball game next week. You ready?
Yeah, we're practicing and...
Hey, sissy, don't touch that again. Remember last time you touched it?
Not even closer than over there.
Yeah, MJ had her head stuck and you was helping me, and what happened?
Yeah, my knees hurt.
What up, Bobby?
I'm ready
Oh,
for
Bobby's using the restroom.
Hey, so since I have a game, isn't that gonna be a teenage game too?
Nope. Oh, Dixie. What, Thor? You want some attention?
Okay.
You want some attention? Yes.
Don't get your head stuck. It'll be impossible to get out.
Yeah, it would, wouldn't it?
Get it out. Get it out. Get your head out.
He's all right. He won't get it stuck. MJ wants pet.
Sit. Thor, sit.
Good,
Good boy.
Hallie, you're awful close to that yellow cable.
I know what I'm doing.
You know what you're doing? You know what you're doing?
You scared me.
Thor's a good boy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, king of it.
MJ can't fight. Her horns are all hooked up.
Uh-oh, 2 versus 1. It's a cousin battle. All right, so we're still waiting on the tow truck. Should have already been here.
He's going to to it.
Shadow. Hey, Hattie.
He likes that.
What's up, buddy?
I was like, going to this side now.
You can snuggle? Oh, so sweet. That kitty likes you.
Shady, come
He
here.
likes you. Yeah, he does. He's gonna get your passy.
She likes to suck on him. Hey, wanna show Daddy yeah, we're not gonna do the other part that we just made up. Just the first part that we made up. But
Look at his hand.
He's petting him.
I want to do.
That kitty gets
Yeah,
you.
that's the one we're not doing too much. We got this dance that we want.
Oh, there's the tow truck.
We got.
Going in.
We made up a new club. We made up a new club.
look.
Daddy, put this in.
Look.
Daddy, I want this on video. We want this on video.
Oh, this truck scared him.
Alrighty, well, you saw. Well, there it is behind me. Right. Oh, there. Behind me. It's hauled off to the shop again. Hunter and I is going to do a little feeding. And
Oh yeah.
it's about dark. You can see we got a pretty sunset going on back there. But it's about dark. We're going to do some final feeding here, and then we're going to play a little football until my garlic bread's ready that Lindy's making. I just got in from work. We got shut down this week, so I'm having to work extra long hours, all that stuff. Hunter, can you grab me a bucket, bud? And then we'll play a little football while we're waiting, because he can never get enough football, baseball, whatever. Ball. Hey Hunter, there's one out there, bud.
Okay.
Alright guys, well, we're back.
I'm busy dragging an anaconda.
He's busy dragging an anaconda. Anyways, tell him probably out of breath, but we got interrupted last time because
I beat him 14-7 in a football game.
yeah, because the hey, don't knock my tripod over. Because the camera died in the middle of my
Closing.
sentence. So, closing, yeah. But hey, Hunter, run and get that from Thor. But anyways, now that I'm not rushing to tell you the story, I kind of gave you a quick recap of what happened on it. I don't know if I explained it good enough, so I'm going to explain it again. I don't know if any of you guys have had any vehicles towed in the past. I'm sure you have. But they hook up the back, then they hook up the front chain to a little, kind of like you would have on a gate or anything. You just take the chain to where you put it in long ways, and then the next one's coming up that's sideways catches and locks. Well, it came unhooked, so my truck rolled backwards. Luckily, it rolled backwards into the cab, and my bumper hit the kind of the headrest. But if it would have rolled forward, we would have had a problem, because my truck would have been hanging halfway off the tow truck, and that would not have been good. But I know we have not put out very many videos lately. We're very sorry. We are coming close
To the playoffs.
to the end of football season. We just had the first round of playoffs. We got semifinals this coming Saturday. Who are we playing?
Telephone.
We're going to beat them?
Yeah.
Playing Teleclaw, we're going to beat them. Bad.
Yeah, since they beat us bad, we're going to put a whooping on them.
Yeah, so we lost our very first game to them. We have learned a lot since then, and we didn't really play to our full potential. Nonetheless, they beat us, so we got a revenge game coming up, don't we, boy?
Yeah. I think we can win Super Bowl this year.
You think so?
Yeah.
I do too. What do we got to do to win it, though?
Play our hardest.
Everybody's got to play their hardest, don't we?
Yep. Do our jobs.
Do our jobs, that's right. Hey, you listen. What's your job?
To stay outside and run fast.
No one gets outside of you, do they?
Yeah.
What happens if they get outside of you?
Touchdown.
Yep. Alright guys, well, we'd like to thank you once again for clicking on this video. If you like this video, smash that like button, have a subscribe, all that stuff. Ring that notification bell, and we will try super hard to get more videos out to you guys. I've been doing a few shorts, as you guys have noticed, which is new to me. Just something new, something easy when I don't have a lot of time. I can just do a quick 60-second short.